Now we are going to show you the last function, lock groove. It is also set the parameter at the lock short parameter. Now we are going to show you. It's make two short. We set its parameter at this place. We set the start distance and the sorting milling depth. This is the depth of the hole. And this is the length of the shot. This button is used for adjust the height. Those two knife height to this board height, or making the short height. Here is a table for show the height value. This is millimeter 9.9. It's at the center of the knife to the table surface height. And we now introduce you how to use the side drilling machine. Firstly, you need to connect the machine to the 380 voltage three-phase power supply. Here is the line connection. This blue one is the zero line, and the three red lines is the fair line. This is from our factory voltage supply. After you connected it, you can use this cover to cover the lines. This machine will need to use air compressor. You can use 3 PA air compressor. This table could be this number or 0.4 to 0.6 is okay. Keep attention this oil. Please do not be empty. This is the start button.
不用往切换就对了。
This is the language change. After the XY to be 0, it is mean ready for work. This part is for the functions choose. This part is for the to choose. Now, this single panel and have double panel functions. Let's show us the function. Please press the button. Now is a single panel. Only the two is down. And at the double panel, it's all of them down.
好了。
这几个 After you put this bolt under the table, this laser head could scan the hole's place, and then it can find the suitable place for the hole drilling. And this hole drilling diameter is depended by the knife diameter. This knife diameter. About the bolt place, please push it in the end of the head. How to make the 3-in-1 wooden pin hole. It is also put the bolt under the table, and the laser head scan the horse position. Then it can make the horse. About the two-hole distance is set in the machine. 好，在哪里这个？This please put set the distance of the two hole. 这个啊？
我的也这英文，这中文。
Usually, when you make the pinhole, you could set the 1, 2, 3 parameters. This is the hole position and the hole depth and the hole depth. The third function is the heat blend hole. Also, you can choose the knife model here. This button could set the parameter.
可以上20个坑。
This function could set 20 holes, and this place could set the hole depth.
Sure.
And you can also set different hole, not same depth, or same depth. Let's show you the third function, how to work. This is same depth. Here is a scan function. This means all the side step. Side step is mean you put the bolt at the front side, and the scan function means you put the bolt as you want. The laser head can find its position by the laser scan. Open the tank and make a fixture groove. These two functions is similar. This means you make the bolt from this side through the bolt, the groove through the bolt, and makes a fixture groove means you can set the two model and the sort depth, the groove position and the groove length.
Starting point.
Let's show you the mix of fixed groove. This is the fixed function, so we show you this one. 我们现在给它展示这个。This is the groove. We 刚刚在这里做了一个槽，是吧？
拉个特打个扣吗？
We just make a groove and make a hole. It's under this function to make. It is finish the groove and the hole together. Now we are going to show you the heat blender holes on both sides. It's heating blender holes on both sides. The holes position can be set.
5，这还有个85，热到空中现在就是85。
This is the position setting. 就从这里进去的哈。